Rapper just told me he got me. Fuck that said we gon' be dropping. Alfred on tropical storm and tsunami. Bitches come suck on my Johnny. Flagging like Jimmy, not stressing who got me. Too arrogant, they can't stop me. Yo, bitch got hit up just like a balloon. Shop on the beat tryna pop me.
What's up, everybody? It's Chester Fry here. Today we're gonna be vacuuming the grass. Now, some of you might look at me like I'm crazy, but trust me, this is a new, innovative way to keep the good soils in and get the bad soils out. We're gonna go to a couple different parks and different places here. I got the idea from, I seen Steezy Kane doing the mopping the ocean. So that inspired me to do the vacuuming the grass. I think he did that video as well, but shout out Steezy Kane for the idea. Putting my own little twist on it, cause you know. But we're gonna go to a couple parks. We got a festival to go to tomorrow, I think. We're gonna try to get some good reactions. And let's kick off the video. Oh, this darn tree here. Let's see. We need to chop about 5 feet. Would you be interested in my vacuuming services? Now, it's a new innovative way to keep the good soils in and get rid of the bad soils out.
Take the bad soils out?
Yeah, so my homie Bill, he had a anthill on his property. So I came in with my vacuum. I swept up all them little ants.
Yeah.
Got rid of all them critters. They were completely gone. New innovative way. Best way to get rid of anything. So I'm just doing my community service, you know?
Yeah.
Getting it done for the people, helping them out. It's all love. Ma'am, could you do me a favor? I need to give my parole officer a picture that I'm doing my community service. Could you help me take this picture? Would you be able to help me with this picture, ma'am?
Your community service?
Yep.
You're vacuuming the grass?
Yep. They said I can just clean it up and working smarter, not harder, you know? It's the easiest way to do it. You're amazing. True American right here.
Where's that going?
Oh, I don't know him. I think he's playing a Nintendo Switch or something.
No, he's with you.
He's
I
with me.
don't want to be recorded.
I don't know him. I think he's playing a video game.
Where's that going? I don't want to be recorded, please.
I'll try to talk to him. What's up, y'all? Y'all know about this new technology?
What's up?
So instead of you cut the grass,
Okay.
now this is vacuuming it.
Vacuuming the grass.
So, you know, iRobot, so they just released this as the new beta. Like this the beta model. They sent it out for me to try, you know.
Yeah, bro, I've never seen this, bro.
So it literally.
Have you seen this? No, bro, I've never seen this.
So I had to do a community service.
Okay.
They said I needed to like clean up the parks.
Okay.
So I was like, you know what I'm gonna do?
Yeah.
I'll bring this bad boy out and get all, you know, clean up a little bit. But I'm trying to tell more people about it.
Bro, I've
That
never
way-
seen this. Hold on, let me take a photo of it. Have you seen this?
It's innovative.
Bro.
Very
You
innovative.
never seen this, bro? No. Like the most craziest thing I've ever seen, bro.
Like I might be sweating right now,
Yeah, I'm sweating too, bro.
but imagine you on a lawnmower all day. You're gonna be sweating even harder.
That's
So
what I'm saying, bro.
you're gonna sweat less vacuuming than you will be with a lawnmower.
My point, bro.
I'm just letting the people know, you know.
Nice, man.
Appreciate you, G.
Thank you, bro.
Yep. Y'all take care now.
You too.
And I told them I need a thing to cut the grass, and they gave me this, and what I'm finding out is it's sucking up the stuff, but it ain't cutting the grass. Did I buy the wrong thing? What's this doohickey do?
Suck it.
So this ain't gonna cut the grass? Well, shoot. I'm gonna have to try going back to Walmart and seeing what they say, cause it ain't cutting the grass for me. It is what it is, though. I'm gonna keep trying, though. You keep trying till it works. Getting the nice soil out there. It's a new,
I have that exact vacuum. It's not sucking anything up because it goes into that little clear tube.
it's a lawnmower.
Oh.
So this is, so I,
Blades underneath?
yeah.
Oh.
So I'm doing my community service. They said they come out and clean the parks for the fireworks for the 4th of July. So I was like, work smarter, not harder.
Okay.
So, I mean, it gets the job done.
All right.
Yeah.
That's my mistake. Good on you.
Appreciate you, boss. We'll keep it going. If you ever need my services, just look up Chester Fry.
Chester what?
Chester Fry.
Chester Fry?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Why are you vacuuming?
I'm sorry.
Why are you vacuuming?
Oh, this was a lawnmower.
That's not a lawnmower.
See, it keeps the good soil on, but it sucks out all the bad soil.
Oh, that makes sense.
So agriculturally, I'm just keeping it clean. I'm working smarter, not harder.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Got to teach them while they're young.
How come you're vacuuming?
Just cleaning up the park,
Okay.
making sure that it's nice and everything.
Who gave you authorization to do this?
So I was just told to do cleaning.
Okay. Who told you to do this?
The President-elect of the United States of America, Donald Trump.
I'm trying to keep America clean.
Okay. Yeah, we need to go in and stop. I'll help you. I'll help you. Thank you. I don't think this would be a good idea. Do you? I don't think this would be a good idea. Yeah, I'll help you put it up. Be a trip, man. Get in. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help.
So is there somewhere else you'd like me to set up and clean?
I'll help you. I'll help you put this stuff up.
I know. Do you want me to go anywhere else and clean up though?
No, thank
I'm trying to keep America clean.
you. Did a good job. Did a good job.
Oh, I appreciate it, sir.
It's just getting too busy around here.
No, I fully understand. I'm just trying to promote the business.
Thank you.
So this is new innovative technology. So instead of like cutting the grass, it keeps the bad soil, like it takes the good soil in the ground and takes all the bad soil out.
Where's your vehicle at?
I'm with
Got
family.
Donald Trump.
I have a bag and everything. I can put it in the
Yeah,
bag.
that'd be great. That'd be great. I'll help you.
Thank you. So if you ever need like cleaning for the park service, can I give you my number?
I'll hire you if you're a good worker.
Oh, definitely hard worker.
It's jobs.com and look for the park worker position. Okay?
Yes, sir. And I didn't get your name.
I'm Mark.
Mark, nice to meet you, Mark. Chester. I appreciate you.
Thanks for helping out.
No, thank you for helping me put it back up. I thought, because the people going to make a mess, you know? Because I was here last year, and there was things left on the ground, left and right. So nobody's going to pick it up.
Don't get it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing scattered trash. So.
Oh, you got another
stick,
bucket?
a bucket?
You got a second one?
No, but thanks for offering.
Okay.
We
yeah.
appreciate it. Thank you.
Anything to do to help, sir?
Thank you.
All right, so we got told that it was a trip hazard, and the guy at least helped me pack up, but man, this has been like a multi-day shoot now, and we've just been going to different like events going on, festivals, and today's 4th of July, and it was right beside the food trucks. That's the only outlet that I could find. I had like a 200-foot extension cord, but thank you for everybody that's been watching. We got more videos on the way. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and yalla. Yalla.